It's a 2018 Audi Q5. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, driver memory seats, front and rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.